It's coming all the way from the Netherlands. Oh, I told you guys something special was happening with the GTX. Giving y'all a sneak peek. Can y'all guess what it is? Just guess. What are you doing? Guys, I'm not buying another vest, but who doesn't need vests? If I ride as much as I do, I need a vest for every day. So, look at this one. So I'm here right now at Team Mancuso North. This is my dealer I like to go to because I bought so many skis from them already and their service is good. What I'm here for today is to inspect the GTX 300. We have this big Florida trip that we're going on for 2 weeks and we're going to be crossing over to Bimini. So I have to make sure that my ski is in tip-top shape. So make sure if you see me on the water, y'all come say hi. I'll be in Florida for 2 weeks. We'll be doing Swanee River, PCB. We're gonna go see the Florida ski riders at Sebastian Inlet for their event and also do Miami to Bimini. Where else are we going? Oh, the Keys, and we're gonna do Marcos Island, maybe check out Clearwater. Let's continue this video. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment below if there's an area you want me to come and visit because I'm always looking for new waters to come and ride. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian, and I'm doing a different project today, and I'm here with Richard. He runs Rudolph's Upholstery. He's really experienced in this upholstery business. And y'all know I don't just trust anybody with my babies. So Richard, tell the viewers a little bit about yourself.
Well, I've been doing upholstery for 41 years now. And I also have a lot of the techniques that I've developed over the years, which I'm going to show for the installation of these seat covers here for the jet ski seats. And I hope you can follow along and hopefully it'll help you in the future.
All right, so the plan today is to remove all the brown. We have custom seat covers by Grip Gear, and they're in the Netherlands. And y'all gonna be able to check out Richard's website and his YouTube channel, and you can check out Grip Gears. So let's go on and start over there. All right, so we're back in the shop. He's about to do his magic right now. But I saw this boat. Y'all check out this boat. Man, this is a classic. It's so beautiful. I've been even thinking about getting me an aluminum jet boat. Now the first process he's about to do is remove the seat covers. Yeah. Richard even has me doing work in here. Guys, you know I don't like to just sit back and watch. Most of the time, I'm trying to do some stuff too and learn at the same time. That's Tempur-Pedic.
Real good contact adhesive. So I'm going to spray some of this in there. You know it's a good stuff by the color. That's one way to identify it.
pretty meticulous, and I'm a little OCD myself, so when you meet another person that's similar to you, it works out great. We're almost done. He's already put the seat covers on both the seats. So y'all remember the brown? The seat handle assembly? Well, we're changing it. Remember I told y'all, no more brown. So I had to order the 2021 part of the SeaDoo GTX 300, the silver one, and put it on the new seat cover. The information with the part number will be down below in the description. Guys, we're officially finished and it looks good. Now Richard really knows what he's doing. Where is he at? Where's he at? He's right there. He really knows what he's doing and makes it fit perfectly like a glove. He doesn't put it half-assed, excuse my language, where, you know, there's some little ripples or anything like that. He makes sure he migrates the material to smooth it out. Yeah. He is a professional upholsterer that knows what he's doing, and you're gonna be able to see his video massaging it out and installing it up in the link right here. And I'm gonna put the link up here on the top of the screen, and you just click on the video. Okay, what is your channel called again?
Old School Auto Upholstery Techniques.
All right, and you guys definitely have to check it out. Now let's take a look at the final results.